6 teas that clean arteries, normalize high blood pressure, and prevent heart attack. Imagine lowering your blood pressure and cleaning your arteries just by drinking tea. What if the solution to heart health is already in your kitchen? In today's video, I'm going to share 6 powerful teas that help clean your arteries, normalize high blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart attack. Each of these teas is backed by science and has incredible heart health benefits. Plus, I'll tell you how to easily add them into your daily routine. Heart disease and high blood pressure are among the leading causes of death globally. But here's the good news: simple lifestyle changes, like adding specific teas to your diet, can make a significant difference. The sooner you start incorporating these teas, the sooner you'll be on your way to a healthier heart and a longer life. Don't wait for a health scare to make these simple adjustments. Let's dive right into the 6 teas that can help you protect your heart and live a longer, healthier life. Tea 1. Hibiscus Tea. Hibiscus tea is one of the most potent teas when it comes to heart health. It's rich in anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant known for its ability to lower blood pressure and protect blood vessels. Studies have shown that hibiscus tea can help reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, making it an excellent choice for people with hypertension. The antioxidants in hibiscus work by reducing inflammation, which is a key contributor to artery damage and plaque buildup. To maximize its benefits, drink 1 cup of hibiscus tea daily. You can brew it at home by steeping dry hibiscus flowers in boiling water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Add a little honey or lemon for flavor if you prefer. It's also a great option if you want to enjoy a refreshing cold brew in the summer. Just steep the tea and let it cool down before adding ice. Tea 2. Ginger Tea. Ginger tea has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and for good reason. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that improves circulation and promotes overall cardiovascular health. Ginger works by improving blood flow and reducing cholesterol levels, which in turn helps keep your arteries clear. It's particularly effective at lowering LDL cholesterol, which is the bad kind that leads to plaque buildup in arteries. Studies have also shown that ginger can help stabilize blood pressure, making it a great option for those with hypertension. Incorporating ginger tea into your daily routine is easy. Simply brew fresh ginger root by slicing a piece and letting it steep in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can drink it warm in the winter or as an iced tea in the summer. Ginger tea pairs well with a bit of lemon and honey for added flavor and even more health benefits. Tea 3. Garlic Tea. Garlic tea may not be as popular as some other herbal remedies, but it's a powerhouse when it comes to heart health. Garlic is widely recognized for its natural blood-thinning properties, making it a valuable tool for preventing dangerous clots and improving blood flow. Garlic tea helps prevent plaque buildup in your arteries by reducing the amount of LDL bad cholesterol. Regular consumption of garlic has been shown to lower blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health. In fact, garlic contains a compound called allicin, which relaxes blood vessels and allows blood to flow more freely. This is why garlic tea can be a game changer for those dealing with high blood pressure or at risk of heart attack. To make garlic tea, simply crush or chop 2 to 3 fresh garlic cloves and steep them in hot water for about 10 minutes. While the taste may be strong, the benefits are worth it. You can always add a little honey or lemon to improve the flavor. Drink garlic tea once a day to help improve your heart health and lower your blood pressure naturally. If you're not keen on the flavor, consider adding a bit of ginger or mint to the tea to make it more palatable. Tea 4. Turmeric Tea. Turmeric tea is another fantastic option for heart health, thanks to its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric has been used for centuries and is known for its ability to improve blood circulation and reduce inflammation, both of which are crucial for maintaining healthy arteries. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is what makes this tea so beneficial for heart health. Curcumin helps protect the heart by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing oxidative stress, which can damage blood vessels. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory effects can also prevent the hardening of arteries, a condition known as atherosclerosis, which is a major risk factor for heart attacks. To get the most out of turmeric tea, add a pinch of black pepper to your cup. This may seem strange, but the pepper helps increase the absorption of curcumin in your body, making the tea even more effective. You can easily brew turmeric tea by using fresh turmeric root or a teaspoon of powdered turmeric in hot water. Drink it daily to support your cardiovascular health. Consider adding a bit of coconut milk or honey to create a turmeric golden milk, which can be a soothing and heart-healthy way to end your day. Tea 5. Dandelion Tea. Dandelion tea is often overlooked, but it's a potent natural diuretic that can help improve heart health by reducing water retention and lowering blood pressure. This tea is particularly helpful for people who struggle with high sodium levels or hypertension. One of the key benefits of dandelion tea is its ability to help the body eliminate excess salt through urine. Since high sodium levels are a leading cause of high blood pressure, this natural diuretic action can have a profound impact on heart health. Additionally, dandelion tea is packed with vitamins and minerals like potassium, which supports healthy blood pressure by balancing out the effects of sodium. To incorporate dandelion tea into your routine, brew 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried dandelion root or leaves in hot water and drink once or twice a day. It's especially effective if you struggle with water retention or high blood pressure. Be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Dandelion tea has a mild, earthy flavor, so feel free to add a slice of lemon or a touch of honey for a refreshing twist. T6, green tea. Green tea is one of the most well-known and widely consumed teas around the world, and it's packed with catechins, a type of antioxidant that plays a key role in supporting heart health. Green tea has been revered for centuries, particularly in Asia, for its health-promoting properties, and modern science continues to confirm its many cardiovascular benefits. The catechins in green tea help reduce LDL cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol, which can build up in the arteries and lead to blockages. By lowering LDL levels, green tea helps prevent plaque buildup, allowing blood to flow more freely and reducing the risk of heart attacks. In addition to managing cholesterol, green tea has been shown to improve artery function. It helps the delicate lining of blood vessels, called the endothelium, to remain flexible and resistant to damage that can cause hardening of the arteries, a condition known as atherosclerosis. Another powerful benefit of green tea is its ability to lower blood pressure. Several studies have indicated that regular consumption of green tea can reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, making it a great addition to your daily routine if you're looking to manage hypertension naturally. The anti-inflammatory properties of green tea also help reduce overall stress on the cardiovascular system, making it an all-around heart-healthy beverage. To fully reap the heart health benefits of green tea, aim to drink 2 to 3 cups a day. It's important to brew the tea properly, steep it for around 3 to 5 minutes in hot water that's just below boiling, about 170–180 degrees Fahrenheit, to preserve the delicate catechins. If the taste of green tea is too bitter for your liking, you can add a slice of lemon or a bit of honey to enhance the flavor while maintaining its health benefits. Many types of green tea are available, from matcha to sencha, and all offer similar health-promoting properties. However, matcha tea in particular may provide an even more concentrated source of catechins and other nutrients because it involves consuming the whole tea leaf in powdered form. Whether you prefer the traditional steeped tea or the vibrant green matcha, incorporating green tea into your daily routine can make a significant difference in your heart health over time. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching.